AI won't replace you, but someone using AI might imagine walking into work tomorrow. You do your job exactly the way you always have, but the person sitting next to you finishes the same work in half the time. Not because they're smarter, not because they work harder, but because they know how to use AI. For years, we've heard the same warning: AI is coming for your job. But what if that's the wrong question? What if the real competition isn't AI, but the people who know how to use it? Today, artificial intelligence is changing the way businesses operate. It's writing emails, creating presentations, analyzing data, helping programmers write code, assisting designers, supporting doctors with medical analysis, and even helping teachers prepare lessons. Tasks that once took hours can now be completed in minutes. Does that mean AI is replacing everyone? Not exactly. Think about calculators. They didn't replace accountants. The internet didn't replace businesses. Smartphones didn't replace workers. Instead, they changed how people worked. Those who learned to use these technologies became more productive and more valuable. AI is following the same path. Imagine two employees with the same experience and the same salary. One spends 4 hours preparing a report. The other uses AI to finish it in 1 hour, then spends the remaining time improving the presentation, finding better ideas, and solving bigger problems. Which employee do you think a company will value more? This is why companies are increasingly looking for people who know how to work with AI instead of ignoring it. Marketing teams use AI to generate ideas. Customer service teams use AI to answer common questions faster. Designers use AI to create concepts. Business owners use AI to analyze trends. Doctors use AI to assist with diagnosis. AI isn't replacing these professionals. It is becoming a tool that helps them work more efficiently. History has seen this before. When computers entered offices, many people feared they would lose their jobs. When the internet became mainstream, people worried it would replace traditional businesses. Instead, the biggest winners were those who learned the new technology before everyone else. The same opportunity exists today. The future won't belong to the people who are afraid of AI. It will belong to the people who understand it, adapt to it, and use it wisely. AI is just a tool. Like every powerful tool in history, its value depends on the person using it. So don't ask yourself, will AI replace me? Ask yourself, am I learning the skills that will make me valuable in an AI-powered world? Because in the future, AI may not replace you, but someone using AI might. If you enjoy learning about business, technology, and the strategies shaping the future, subscribe to FinBiz Daily, because every week we uncover the business secrets behind the world's biggest companies and the biggest trends changing our lives.